I'm Mary Conloveras performing hand washing technique. This is the towel, the soap. First, wet your hand with water. Apply soap. Rub your hand palm to palm. Rub back of your hand. Scrub between your finger. Rub back of your finger. Clean the thumbs. Clean the finger. Wash the fingernails and fingertips. Rub each wrist and rinse off water.